Njebele, I'm getting paid, I'm counting my money. Girl, come over here.
Pretty young girl from Zambia, you know that she ain't with the drama. Light skin girl, Osama, you know she the bomb, she cause trauma.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Nyemba. I create content for your viewing pleasure, so I'd really love it if, whoa, what was that? I would really love it if you'd subscribe before you leave. So yeah, for today's video, I am showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle. Like, I don't braid hair, guys, so this is like such an accomplishment. It took me a total of like, I want to say a little over 5 hours, but we'll just say around 5 hours to literally put in 18 braids in my hair. Like 18 braids only took 5 hours. That's insane. But yeah, like my thumbs are still hurting and it's been like 2 days since I did this, so yeah, what you see on YouTube is, oh my gosh, YouTube videos make it look so easy. I was like, I got this, I'll be done in like 2 hours max. I played myself. But yeah, if you want to see the method I use to get this hair, just keep on watching. Don't forget to thumbs it up, share it with somebody who might want to, you know, get their hair like this, who's a college student who doesn't want to spend their coin. And yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, enjoy. For this style, you will need a comb of some sort to part your hair, rubber bands, hair gel, and Kanekalon braiding hair, which isn't pictured because I actually reused old hair. I started the look off on freshly washed and blow-dried hair. The first step is to part your hair into however many sections you'd like. Just pick a size that is manageable for you. So to do that, you're going to take your comb and part a section. Then to make sure it's super neat, apply the gel around the edges, smooth them down with your fingers, and then secure with a rubber band. This method is easy for those of us who don't know how to grip the hair at the bottom when doing regular box braids, because all you do from here is use your own hair as a third hair strand when braiding. So once you have your pieces of hair assembled together as you would for regular braids, instead of parting it into 3, part it into 2 and wrap it around your piece of hair, then just braid down normally. It's kind of hard to explain properly, so just watch carefully and hopefully you get the gist of it. When your hair strand is almost done, split the larger side of the braiding hair into 2 and find a way of disguising your hair in it, then continue braiding all the way down. I then just repeated the process on the last piece of hair. Oh, you guys, I'm tired. It is 12:33 a.m. and I've been braiding my hair since like 8 p.m. or something. I don't know how people do this. Like, how do you freaking braid your own hair? And people who do like tiny things, like these are gigantic. And I can't, oh my gosh, like my arms are dead. I can't feel my fingers. Oh, gosh.
It's okay, it's okay!
have finished. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Alright, y'all, don't mind the FaceTime in the back. I'm trying to call Dawn back. But look at this mess, please. Like, all this. And the calls failed. I was reusing hair, so I have all this down on the floor, and I just kind of cleaned up the table. So hi Nyams, hi, field focus, hey girl. Okay, Dom's not picking up, so that's a thing. But yeah, oh god, I can't feel my fingers, but you know, anything for content. So ew, my foot. Yeah. So yeah, that was it. That's what I did to get this hair. I think the hardest part for me was actually parting my hair. Like, if you look properly, the lines aren't as neat or as straight as they could possibly be, but I tried. So if you have someone to at least part your hair for you, just make sure, yeah, at least your parts are like, you know, nice and neat, but the rest is pretty straightforward, and you just need a lot of patience, like a lot of patience. I put on Beyonce's Homecoming while I was doing this, and I was talking to Dom as well, so I had like company, so I was just there going. I'm like, oh my god. I want to quit, but I just kept going, and it turned out really nice. So yeah, I'm really happy with the result. I'll see how long I keep these in. It's just like, you know, an easy protective style, so I'll probably have these in for 2 weeks maybe. I'm sure after 2 weeks they'll start looking a bit rough, but then thereafter, if they still look decent, I'll keep them in even for 3 weeks. So we'll see anyway. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to thumbs this video up, share it with somebody, subscribe. Yes, subscribe. I'm waiting. Yeah, subscribe. You watching this, who always watches my videos but aren't subscribed, subscribe now. The clock is ticking, isn't it? Subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My arms are dead. My fingers, oh my gosh, my fingers, like I can't feel my fingers.
It's cool. The fact that you've done it yourself.
We stand a supportive one. See, it's easier to do it on somebody else's hair. Ouch, I keep scratching myself.
I'm laughing.
Wonder what you're laughing at. What has he done?
He's stupid.
I mean, we know that. So you care, so you have a heart.
Yeah.
Something, okay?